Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another B2B reaction. And this time, we are in fact getting ready for the next EP. I was like, wait, what is it? For the next EP, because we just finished the Thriller EP last week. And that means this time we get to start listening to Beep Beep. And I'm excited because I feel like it's been a while since we had a music video. And we have a music video this time. B2B Beep Beep official music video. Yay! And then we also have, of course, as per usual, a live performance. So, I'm excited, and I'm not gonna talk a whole lot because I just want to check out this video. And wait, does it have actual subtitles? No, Korean auto-generated. Yeah, that's it. Damn it. Anyways, so let's just get into. I see a I see a sparkly grill on a car. So this should be interesting. Makes sense because it's called Beep Beep. I can't wait to hear what this is going to be because they kind of tend to surprise me a little bit each and every time. And I love that. So let's just get into it. Here we go. Sounding very old school hip hop. And I grew up listening to that, so you know, I'm here for it.
Action. BTOB in the place to be. Action.
Ready, set, action. 어제 너와 헤어졌어. 실감이 정말 나질 않아. 위로 따윈 필요.
I like that hair color on him. I feel like not a lot of people actually look good with that hair color, but I like it on him. Ooh, get those notes. I like that one. I like that move. Anyways, I love this song. This is so good. And I love that they're showing, like, and this seems weird to say having seen the Thriller video, but they're showing a different, more I don't know, rough side to them, more hardcore side to them. It's just, yeah, it's different, and I like it. I like the whole vibe of this. I mean, like I said, it reminds me a little bit of some of the old school hip hop that I used to listen to, and I love that. I mean, this is already, and I am 1 minute and 22 seconds into this song, and this is already my second favorite B2B song. My favorite is still Thriller. I love that song. But I love this. They're showing a grittier side to them. This is so good. I love it.
들렸던 네만 말아.
Also, it's a lot more, which makes sense because, like I said, it is very hip hoppy, and so it's a lot more rap line focused, and I love it. I love it.
두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파나 잠도 안 와.
And this guy with his notes all the time. Ah, oh, so good.
난 네가 미워 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 경적소
And they have ladies in the music video.
우리 오늘따라 거슬리네요 baby 창밖에
See, now we're back to like the B2B that we know and love. Awesome. I love the fact that they're making this, like, doing this break and again showing a completely different side to them in this one music video.
날씨는 오늘따라 또 왜 이리도 좋은지
And I love the tinkling. It's like a tingling, a twinkling, a twinkly piano. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm so sorry. But the piano is sort of twinkly. I like that.
내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채 우리 추억만 채워가 나는 오늘도 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라 거슬리네요 baby 제가 막히네 반쯤 정신 나간 차로 경적만 울려대 빵빵 예측 출발은 기본 고속도로 한가운데 120이라도 걸어볼까 해나 모르겠다
Sorry. But this. I don't know why, but this is freaking adorable. Grown ass men in these. I'm sorry, but that got me. That's just, yeah. Again, sense of humor, which I've seen from the diaries that they absolutely have, and they're showing it here as well. Love it.
제가 막히네 반쯤 정신 나간 차로 경적만 울려대 빵빵 예측 출발은 기본 고속도로 한가운데 120이라도 걸어볼까 해나 모르겠다 들켜만 쳐봐라 난 그냥 늘었다 미쳐버리는 척이라도 해야 네가 돌아올까 상태가 심각해 근처 왕경다리를 찾아 그래봤자 소리만 빽 지르고 말겠지 오가
So sorry, see, they're making me cough now. First of all, the falsetto he's hitting right here is sounding magnificent. Listen. I love everything about this. Everything about this I love. I mean, come on. Okay, first of all, awesome song, awesome track. Love that it's very love that it's heavier on the rap compared to the other songs that I've heard. Like I said, Old school hip hop vibe. Awesome vocals when the vocals were got to shine in this song. Like awesome vocals. That little break with the twinkling piano, loved it. But can we talk about this music video? I love the fact that they come out being all hardcore, edgy, hip hop, tough street guys, and then it all falls to pieces because they're crackheads. I love that. Some of those dance moves that they were doing in the end there, I'm like, loved it. Loved them in their tiny little cars. I'm just, this was so good. This was so good. I love it. I'm excited to see this live performance, so let's just get into this because I need to hear the song again. I need to see the live performance because the choreography was different too, and I love that as well. And I'm assuming I'm going to get to see more of that here. So, let's get into it. Beep, beep. Here we go. And clearly, they did not leave their crackhead selves at home. They brought them onto the stage. And I'm here for it.
in the place to be. Action.
Ready, set,
Action.
어제 너와 헤어졌어 실감이 정말 나질 않아 위로 따윈 필요 없잖아 Oh girl, oh girl 너를 정말 사랑했어 죽을 만큼 맡겨줬는데 그런 네가 날 버렸어 Why my girl 인사도 없이 흔들렸던 네만 말아 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파는 잠도 안와 Oh 난 네가 미워 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요
Okay, I'm so bad with names, and I apologize. I should know them by now, but my brain just doesn't work that way. I am really good at recognizing faces, names not so much. But this guy, I'm pointing to my screen and you can't see it. Guy in the middle. I think he's the leader. Maybe. His voice. I freaking love his voice. I just needed to get that off my chest. Here we go.
답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나 오늘 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 경적 소리 오늘따라는 SHINEE요 baby 자꾸 부려봤자 답답함 말랑가 몰라 신경 좀 배에 불면증에 내 길이 가라 비고 가서 볼좀 고맙다 많은 사이에 내
I love that move. I love that move.
불면증에 내 길이 가라 비고 가서 볼좀 고맙다 많은 사이에 내게 사실 난 속 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 네
Because on the one hand, it's like two cars, like, because it's like two cars hitting each other, right? But on the other hand, it's sort of, because they're divided up like that, it's sort of like, looks like they're about to get into like a street brawl. And then they just hit each other and fall back, and I love it.
분도 참 모 같으니까 아이고 나보 그 멀어져라고 그만 빵빵대라 안 그래도 나 복잡하니까 흔들렸던 네만 말아 두근댔던 시간 가고 마음 아파나 잠도 안와 Oh 난 네가 미워 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가 네 생각에 눈물이 나요 답답해 운전을 하다가 흘러나오는 음악에 띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵 띠띠빵빵
Whoa, what's that face?
경적 소리 오늘따라 SHINEE요 창밖에 날씨는 오늘따라 또 왜 이리도 좋은지 네가 또내 옆자리에 텅 빈 채 우리 주머처럼 나는 오늘도 차가운
Love that they have like some classic hip hop moves in there as well. This is just everything I love. No, but I love this. I love this. Oh, okay. So, definitely, if Thriller is my number one, this is my number two song from them, for sure. But it's like up there. It's like really, really close because it's two completely different songs. I kind of want to put them both at number one. I think I'm just going to do that. So, they're both number one. They're both my favorite BTOB songs. But this is for sure my favorite performance from them. I just loved how goofy it was in the best way. Like, they still take it seriously. They still perform amazingly. But it also, because of the song and because of the music, because of the vibe of the song, they have room to sort of goof off and make funny faces. And, the choreography is made to be sort of funny and cheeky and oh, I love this. I love this. I needed this today. This is awesome. Anyways. So, next time. Yeah, I mean, I could, but I feel like I already said what I love about this song, and it's everything. So, so next time, I'm going to be reacting to Broken Heart. I feel like we're going to take the mood down a little bit with that title compared to Beep Beep, but we'll see. I don't know. I hope to get time this weekend to record another couple of episodes, or my reaction to another couple of episodes of The Diaries, but I can't make any promises because I'm sort of trying to catch up in the sense that I kind of want to get my reactions, like my weekly reactions. I want to get ahead on those because that will give me so much more free time to do all of the bonus reactions. So I would like to be like a month ahead on my weekly reactions. So I'm not sure I'll have time to do it this weekend, but hopefully soon. But just to literally give myself less to stress about. I just want to get ahead, basically. So, anyways, if nothing else, next Saturday, it's going to be Broken Heart, and I am going to find, I don't know if this has a music video, actually, but if it does, I'm going to react to that. If it doesn't, I'm going to react to a lyrics video, and then I will try to find a live performance of it as well. So, if you have a favorite live performance of Broken Heart, or if there's a particular lyrics video that's better than anything else, if there's not a music video, please drop links in the comments because then I will use those. Particularly with the live performance, because I always want to hear what I want to watch what the fans love, and the melodies. So, like, your favorite live performance of Broken Heart, let me know in the comments, and I will see if I can find it and use that for my reaction. If you have, because I've not had enough of Beep Beep, if you have another favorite performance of Beep Beep, I really want to watch that too, so you can drop your links to that in the comments as well, and I will watch it. And react to it at some point. But yes, I think that's it. Also, of course, live performances to the rest of the songs from this EP, if you have those, like Hello and Hello Mellow and Never Ending Melody. Drop those in the comments as well, because I'm learning from you guys, so you know what's best. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Saturdays are BTOB. I say BTOB. Why? Saturdays are B2B day. So Saturdays, you will always have a B2B reaction, provided nothing comes up and like makes it so that I don't have the opportunity to react to it. But if that happens, unless it's a migraine so it can't get online, which is what happened on Tuesday and Wednesday, because I literally could do nothing but be in like a darkened room with no lights and no sounds. Unless something like that comes up, I will always let you know on the community page that I have. I'll make a post if it's like delayed and stuff. But hopefully that shouldn't happen because, like I said, I'm trying to get ahead of things here. But yeah, Saturdays, definitely B2B reactions. And you can see the schedule in the description down below, so you can see what days I'm reacting to what. And if you like the video, please like it. You know, that does help the channel as well. I'm working towards my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And there's a long way to go still, but I'm hoping to get there. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. See you guys again soon. Bye, guys.